Hi, welcome to my channel again. On this video, I'm going to show you how to do a crack from a silicone prosthetic. You're going to need a prosthetic adhesive, prosthetic remover, also skin illustrator palette, alcohol activated or with the activator. Has to be 99.9% alcohol to activate blood. Also, we're gonna need another type of blood, a little bit darker, spatula, Q-tips, and some brushes. So let's go. Before you start, you have to clean the area with witch hazel to remove any oil on the skin. So you will clean the skin pretty good, like I'm showing to you on this video. Then you're going to check where you're going to place the prosthetic. Then you're going to apply prosthetic directly to the skin on the area where you're going to apply it. I did it on me, but it will be better if you do it on the prosthetic because our body is warm and it was set faster than the prosthetic. So you apply prosthetic on yourself or on the area where you're going to apply it. And then also you apply it on the prosthetic. Meanwhile, I had to tell you that you have to wait until it gets clear, otherwise it won't stay. It will fall off the skin. Both sides had to be clear before you apply the prosthetic. You have to wait, and also you can use some help from a small fan so you can speed up the process. So now it's good to go. We apply it on top of the other placement of prosthetic. Put it together. Then with a Q-tip, we're going around the edges to make sure the flashing is what you're going to blend into your skin, also has prosthetic. So after you're done, you have to go all around and apply prosthetic. It's harder when you do it to yourself, so you go all around. You do the same process. You have to wait until it gets dry, it gets clear, tacky, and then you apply it together. After you're done, then you're going to use acetone to remove the flashing and to blend into your skin. You have to make sure it's acetone and it's 100% acetone. I was checking that with acetone. So then with a Q-tip, you go around. You take off what is holding the flashing, the edges. Try to do that first. You go all the way around in a rolling motion with a Q-tip and the acetone. Take it off, and then you go around again to make sure it's all blend into your skin. Then we proceed to color the prosthetic. Try to do like your skin color with the skin illustrator and the activator. You can also, like I said, use 99.9% alcohol and it will activate it too. Then you go around, try to match your color, skin color, and you go on top too of the prosthetic. Silicone prosthetic, it's better for you to use alcohol activator palette. Then you go ahead and with the blood, with a small brush, you go into all the cracks. You go around, try to fix it. Then with the brush, with a sponge, stippling sponge, you go around, and with a brush you splash some more blood so it looks more seamless. The area around where you apply the prosthetic, you blend the edges, and you do like splashing motion with a brush, and then with the other brush you go like stippling too. You stippling the brush with blood around it, so you make it more even, more flawless. Let's say flawless. So more like natural. We go around. And this is the final look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, support, and this is the final look. Thank you. Bye.